Dear spiritual ladies and gentlemen, greetings. We have two classifications of worshipping the Almighty, namely Atmata Puja and the Paratta Puja, getting Shivatishka and surrenderings, heart and soul to God and performing puja inside one's home is Atmata. This can only be useful for the worshipper. The pujas performed in temples for the benefits of the world are Paratta. These are performed by Adi Saiva Shivacharyas. Shivacharyas' children aged 7 to 15. Sumratta orphanage from the age of some to 15 years. Our Sri Rajamatanki Veda school is devoted to the children of such Shivacharyas aged 7 to 15 to educate them in traditional scriptures like Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Atharvana Veda, Akamas, stories and poetries, Shastras, Hinduism, Tirumurai and astrology. Along with this, we also have an English medium school to adapt this modern world. The Vedic school is certified under the name of Sri Rajamatangi Religion and Public Charitable Seva Trust. This 12A certified foundation is dedicated to provide the three most important Hindu Sanatana Dharma Raksha, Kushmarksha, cow protection, rebuilding of temples, ancient temple protection, and the Vedic discipline, teaching of Vedas. It is the wish of Sri Sri Kanji Mahaperiyava, a sage of Kanji, that every town or village should have a Vedic school. In that way, it is a great privilege to have our school located in Koval, Thirumalam, near Poondotam, Nannilam Circle, Thiruvarur district. Somayashi Maran Nayanmar, one of the 63 Nayanas and from Brahmin clan, once performed Yagam in Koval Thirumalam, and Lord Sri Tyagaraja appeared in disguise along with the four Vedas called Rig, Yajur, Sama and Atharva as four dogs to receive the Havibargam, offering made to God in scared fire, directly and blessed in person instead of Agni Ahuti. Such a holy place is Koval Thirumalam. Our school is well underway in such a historical significant village. Our Koval Thirumalam with plenty of blessings from the spectacular goddess of Iron Age, Kali Yuga, Vaishambigai Sri Rajamatanki, and walking a deity Kanji Sri Mahaperiyava. Students who attend the school are provided with food, shelter, clothing, health care, and English medium of education for free. In addition, the school is currently being expanded with new building facilities to offer Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Atharveda, as well as Shiva Akama training. The essence of the Vedic world, Dharmo Rakshita Rakshitata, is the only charity save us. Accordingly, we are involved in such a divine act to save Vedas, which is the root of Sanatana Dharma, Hinduism. We kindly request you, along with your family and friends, to become a part and contribute, thereby helping this school to run successfully and also get blessing from the Mother of Veda. These charities will be deposited in bank and the interest from deposits will be utilized to run the charitable work without interruption. We will chant Moola mantras for all deities and also perform Hai Shomam, Yagna for long life and Vedic recitation in the name of the devotees. Taking part in this activity and send them prasadam including Vibhuti, Kungumam and Akshatata. Though this one can achieve the benefits of the teaching of good students, a protection of cows and rebuilding of the ancient temples, please contact Shiva Akama Pravina, Shiva Akama Vasaspati, Shiva Akama Pratishta Bhupati, Tirukkailai Mamani, Sivastrityaha, Madhupurishwar Shivacharyar. Managing Trustee, Sri Rajamatanki Religion and Public Charitable Seva Trust. Call 9486601401. Dear spiritual ladies and gentlemen, greetings. We have two classifications of worshipping the Almighty, namely Atmata Puja and the Paratta Puja, getting Shivatishka and surrenderings. Hot and